In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete subscribers in Moosend. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove one or more contacts from a specific mailing list safely and confidently, without second-guessing where to click. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting a subscriber removes them from the selected list, and they will no longer receive campaigns sent to that list. This action can't be undone, so take a moment to be certain about who you're removing. Start by signing in to your Moosend dashboard and head straight to Audience. This is your home base for list management, where all your mailing lists and contact details live. Think of it as the control center for organizing who receives your emails. Next, open your mailing list. Choose the exact list that contains the subscribers you want to remove. If you manage multiple lists, make sure you've picked the right one. Deletion is list specific, so you're only affecting the contacts inside this particular list. Once the list is open, click View Members. This takes you to a detailed view of everyone on that list. Here you'll see useful information like email addresses and subscriber status. Use the search bar or sort options to quickly locate the people you intend to delete. This makes the process faster and helps you avoid mistakes. Now select the subscriber or subscribers you want to remove. You'll typically see a checkbox next to each contact. Click the checkboxes for individual contacts, or use the top checkbox to select multiple entries at once. Take a moment to double-check your selections before moving on. When you're ready, click Delete. You'll usually find this option above the member table or within an Actions menu. Moosend will ask you to confirm to prevent accidental removals. Finally, confirm deletion. Read the prompt carefully so you know exactly what's about to happen. Once you confirm, the selected subscribers are removed from this mailing list. If you ever need them back, you would add them again just like any new contact. To recap, go to Audience, open your mailing list, click View Members, select the subscriber or subscribers you want to remove, click Delete, and confirm. That's all there is to it. A couple of quick tips as you work. It's a good habit to clean up test contacts or inactive records to keep your list healthy, and to remove anyone you no longer need on that list to maintain accuracy. Always double check your selections before confirming. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're now set to manage your Moosend lists with clarity and control.